Hi, my loves. So I'm really upset. Really upset. So I had been watching this purse for the last year. It is the Prada Satin Mini Crystal bag in the champagne color. And I was really excited when I saw her. I thought she was absolutely stunning, super beautiful. She was all over TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube Shorts, and she was just a beautiful bag. But because I like to take my time and really research the wear and tear of these bags, especially because you are spending such a large amount, I waited a year to be able to purchase this bag. I was watching YouTube videos, listening to what other YouTubers were saying about the bag, and I finally decided to purchase her. I thought she would be a beautiful unboxing that I know that you guys would absolutely love, and I knew that she would be absolutely stunning for the holiday season. Well, I ordered the bag. I was so excited. The morning that I got her, I was so excited. I literally jumped out of bed when my doorbell rang. I went and I grabbed her. I set everything up so that I could be able to do an unboxing for you guys. And as soon as I opened the bag, I was pissed. First of all, the bag was not wrapped with all of these Swarovski crystals. You would think that the bag would be wrapped beautifully to protect it.
Woo! Dun, dun, dun.
It wasn't. Okay, that was the first thing that I noticed. But because I was so excited, I took her out. But she looked like she was folded. It literally had a line on the bag. And I really was using my benefit of doubt, and I'm like, okay, let me just continue looking at this bag. I turned her over and she had a chunk off of the bag. Then after further inspection, I looked at the bottom and she just had wear and tear. Like the bag had been, like somebody put it down and it had been, the bag looked used. So I'm trying to process all of this, and I was just so furious with this bag because it wasn't secondhand. I didn't get her from a secondhand store. I purchased the bag brand new from Prada.com. I was expecting a pristine bag, as anybody who is purchasing anything should get pristine, and it was not. You know, my loves, you guys, we all work so hard for our money, and to see something like that you really have, like, it should not have happened. And I know that there's so many people that are just tired of the luxury market. People are just not happy with the way that these bags should be, and the experience. So it just really upsets me because as your very first time going into the luxury market, you expect your experience to be amazing and to be beautiful. You work so hard for your money, and to go in and to, one, for the quality not to be there, two, to be treated a way that you shouldn't be treated, is just absolutely unacceptable. And remember, the people are the ones who matter, not these brands. Without the people, these brands don't exist. And I feel like that is what really has given the luxury market, I feel that's why we continue to purchase from the luxury market in the past, because they really catered to you. They made your experience beautiful. For me, purchasing a bag has been almost as a milestone in different points in my life, you know, graduations, birthdays, anniversaries, achieving things that I worked extremely hard for. And to go in and have this experience to be the way that it is just, it's terrible. You know, I've heard different people talk about all these different brands that are just not giving that experience, and it's just extremely terrible. I urge you, loves, that when you do go, now, not all luxury brands are like this. There are still luxury brands out there who give you that experience. I advise you, my loves, that when you go in, whatever item you're getting, whether it's a purse, jewelry, clothing, ask to see more than one, inspect it, And if your experience is not what you, if your experience is not what you, if you're not feeling comfortable, just walk out. If I go into somewhere and I'm not feeling comfortable, I walk out. I don't give them my time of day, like at all. So I urge you guys that really think about your purchases, and moving forward, we have to ask better. Now, I did end up calling Prada, and the lady that helped me was really courteous with me. She said that yes, I would be able to return the bag back and get a full refund. But this experience should not have been like that, and it shouldn't be like that for you guys. Like, it's not right. And luxury brands, you guys really need to do better. I love you guys so much. Mwah.